and we are making a creative world with my brother. Hello. And first, I would like to get an elytra, because I love an elytra. So we can fly. So first, what would you like to make, Thomas?
I don't know. First, I'm
Shall
gonna
we
make me some rainbow-ish house.
Speaking of rainbow, we could make a rainbow, or we can make a lighthouse. Shall we make a lighthouse? I think that sounds like a good idea. So, red and white wall. I made another lighthouse, and I made it out of concrete. That was a bad idea because Thomas kept on accidentally breaking it, and as you might know that concrete has gravity, not like other rocks, because if I place it on top of somewhere, then it won't fall down. So what I do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And switching between red and white. You can do the same as this, or you can do it as concrete. But if you break it, then that will be bad. You can make it as tall as you want. It doesn't matter, and as wide as you want. I usually like it going 1, 2, 3, 4 across on each one. It's up to you. And also, if you've got an elytra, it could be a great place to go on an elytra, or you could just build up with wood and put on some ladders and stuff like that. So you probably know, I'm just going to do a mini one, a very small one, and then I will show you how to make some other stuff. And I attempt to like put the pattern at the bottom and the top, just like that. And then what I will do is I will build it with glass. Do that. Now, you can either put a sea lantern or glowstone. So it depends if you like. This better or this better. I'm going to put glowstone. And there you have it, a mini lighthouse. Right now, next we can see what Thomas is up to. Where's your house? There. So, do you want to touch this, have a tour? Thomas, take it away. So, it's built with different coloured wood. And what's this block? Thomas, what's this block? Monster spawner. And then it's called new bed. I like your design. With pink windows. Right now, we both build something. Have a think, what do you like better? You can put it in the comments and have a vote. And I'll see you later. Bye! So we can do one every day, just building together. Who do you think's going to win your house or my life?